still be peaceful?
He is the governor. What is the 10 or is it converted to pennies?
Oh.
What's the calculation?
2.2. Okay.
Mm-hmm.